Hi guys, it's the chef Mr. West and welcome back to the cooking channel.
I'm just here feeding the birds, you know. They're hungry, so figured that I would just come by my spot here and give them something to eat. Lots of seagulls. Yeah, they're taking everything. Give me some more. As soon as it go down, they just pick it up. Do you have some more? Let's give them some more. Let's have a lot of time on my hand here, you know. We're by our regular crabbing spot, so I'm just feeding the birds, the seagulls. Do you have more? Make the birds happy too, you know. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. What is this that we're giving them here?
Cheese chip.
Cheese it.
Cheese chip.
No, this is cheese it. We're just feeding the birds here with some cheese it, you know. Jamaicans call it cheese chips. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Birds come by now because they're hungry. This little black one here trying to hustle something, but he's not getting anything. No. Give me another piece. I'm giving piece. I'll make sure so I can get this time. Yes. You got it. Make sure everybody gets something, you know. So I give you a little glimpse of again, like I said before, in this our regular crabbing spot here that we come in the summertime. Crabbing is over, so now we're just coming from the supermarket, so we just drive by him and wife, we just relaxing a little. She's right there feeding the giving me the stuff to give the birds, the seagulls. So that's it. Getting ready to just sit down and relax a little and then we go home. So remember to watch the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. We're just having a little fun here with the birds, with the seagulls. So God bless you and we catch you in our next video.